Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all a headband wig, but this one has highlights. Now I'm not sure how I'm going to make it work with my black edges in the front, but we're going to figure it out together, so let's get into it. So this unit is from Julia Hair. I did another video using their hair and y'all loved it. I will link it in the cards above. So let's see what comes in the package. All right, so this is what the wig looks like. It does come with one additional headband on the inside, but there are others in the box. I'll show you all those in a moment. Wow, look at that color. This is so bold. So many of you all have been asking me if the headband wigs that I've been showing, if they come in different colors. So I'm trying to show you all additional colors with these units, and this is a silky straight texture. This one is in length 24, so she is a long. Look at all that length. I love these highlights. I actually have a unit that's colored just like this, but it's a lace front. But as you all know, headband wigs don't have lace at all. And that's what I've really been loving lately. And of course, because of COVID, there are shortages with lace. So many companies are making headband wigs, and I'm all for it. So here's your headband in the front. And this one does seem to be connected a good amount along the sides, but we're gonna see once I put it on. This is what the inside construction looks like. You have a comb at the top, you have two on the sides, which is great. This is actually rare. Many companies only have a comb at the top and a comb at the bottom, but this one has two additional combs on the side, which is good, and one at the bottom. This one also comes with an adjustable strap. All right, now let's install this baby. Wow, y'all, this color looks so good against my skin tone. It's so pretty. And I like that the roots are dark on this one. This is cute. All right, I think what I'm gonna do is straighten her out because there are some crimps from the way it was packaged. So let's do that now.
Go on, come on and catch that vibe. Don't stop until the feeling's right. Spin around, come on, let's take a ride. We'll be feeling good in no time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. It's as simple as ABC. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it like this. Just do it, just do it. Just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it like that.
Y'all, this is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I can't even believe how much I like this. Y'all, this color looks so good. I love it. This is where the hair falls on me. The hair straightened really well, and I actually put it on 450 degrees, so that's a good sign. All right, let's try on the headbands that came with the unit. So this one came in the package. Definitely not gonna try that one on. Don't really like this one too much. I like this one. Isn't that stunning? Y'all, I actually bought like 2 of these on Etsy, and they were kind of expensive. I got one that's brown and also one that's cream. So there's a cream one and a brown one. And it looks just like this one. This one is a faux leather headband. So gorgeous. Also came with this one. This one is just a plain black headband. And then it also came with a burgundy bandana style headband and a red one. This one surprisingly looks better than I thought. I like it with this one. It's cute. It actually looks good with the yellow top. I wasn't sure that it would. Okay.
Once I get it, no, I'm never gonna stop. It's so effortless, don't even need to try. I'm gonna do my thing DIY. I like it flawless and I like it clean. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. Just like a fantasy, just like a dream. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just
Yeah, I like this one, but I feel like it'll look better with one of my other headband wigs. Maybe a curlier texture. I like it. I'm just not sure how I feel about it with this look. So let's do some styles now. Now I can't tell, but it feels like there's some shorter hairs in the back. I don't know if you can see it when putting it up, but I can kind of feel them a little back here. Alright, so that's pretty much the best I can do with the ponytail. This hair is so silky that it's hard to get it in a bun the way that I want it. But I feel like it looks pretty good. Kind of has like a fanned out look at the top. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know what you all think about this colored headband wig. I think it's gorgeous. I actually like it more than I anticipated. Be sure to check the description box. I'll have all the links and specifications provided down there. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye guys.